Read the sight word to your child. Huck, this is the word what. Then you're going to ask them to say it back to you. What is this word?
What?
Excellent. Then you're going to find it in context on the page of the book. Read the whole sentence. Brown bear, what do you see? Huck, can you point to this word on this page? Good. What is this word, Huck?
What?
What? It is a sight word for 2 reasons. He needs to just recognize it on sight, on the card, on the page. It's also a sight word because it doesn't make sense. Once he learns the rest of those sounds, it should say what, but it doesn't. It says what. The more sight words they know, the faster they'll read. The more sight words they know, especially at this level, he's gone, the more confident they'll be. Let's try one more. Huck, this is the word you. What is this word?
You.
You. Can you point to the word you on this page? Excellent. Red bird, what do you see? What is this word, Huck? Ask him one more time. It's Mommy. It's the Tiny Tutor. Ask one more time. What is this word? You. Then review. Huck, what is this word? Red bird, what do you see?
Yeah.
Good, yeah, point to it. Good, what is that word? Read the sentence. Read Mommy the sentence. Red bird.
What
Keep going. Good job, Huck. What
do you see?
Good. Then put them out on the table, parents, in front of you. The word that says what. Which word says what? Yes. Which word says you? Yes. Now have some fun with it. Point to you. 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 What? What?
You. What?
Good. Sight words, part 2. Huck, this is the word you. What is this word? What is this word, silly man? You. Can you find you on the page? It's on every page of this book because we pick books with repetitive patterns to help them learn how to read. Huck, find the word you on this page. What do you see? Can you point to the word you? Here he goes. Good job. Then, parents, I'm going to find the same word in a different book. This is the second book in our first box to show context in 2 different places. Huck, can you find the word you on this page? I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. And it's fine to stress the word. Where's the word you? You, good. Then, parents, another review. Huck, remember, what is this word? You. You're going to pull out alphabet letters, which we also have in our box. And I have the letters to spell the word you, but I added a few more letters in so he can find them. Huck, you spell the word you with letters for me? What's the first letter?
You.
No, let's look for the Y. Can you find the Y?
You.
Where's the Y? Y. What's the next letter?
Yo.
Oh, whoa. Good. What's the last letter? Y-O? You. Hucky, what did you just spell? You. How do you spell you? Y.
Y-O.
And then, parents, you'll see we have holes in our cards because this is from our sight word box. So Huck has already worked on this word twice, and he has said it twice without my help. So he got a hole. He just said it again without my help. But note, I went through it multiple times before I asked him what the word was by himself. I found it in this book. I found it in this book. I had him spell it. So he's moving, tactile, saying, seeing, and then finally, I'll check in and see if he really knows it. Hucky, tell me this word one more time. What is this word? I'll meet
you at the top of the
Good.
coconut.
Context clues are everything, parents. Or what do you see? Hucky, you get a third hole. Woohoo! And then, parents, once they get a third hole, it means they own the word. They know it forever and ever, and it makes them feel confident. You can decorate it. You can put stickers on it. In our index card box, we have alphabet letters here as dividers, and once he knows the word, he gets to put it behind its beginning letter. And then you'll see all these cards in the front are ones that we're still working on. Hey, Hucky, do you want to put this behind the Y?
Oh, yeah.
Can you find the Y card?
Yeah,
Is it at the beginning or the end of the alphabet? You got it. It's way at the end. There's the word you, and then I'll pull this out periodically. I won't just leave it in there and never look at it again. But he does know that he owns it. You own that word. Good job, Huck.
You own that road.
You own that word.